Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board is located at the back of the refrigerator. It controls and operates all of the major refrigerator functions. If you are experiencing one or more electrical problems with your refrigerator, the main power control board should be checked and replaced if needed. The main power control board is located behind this access panel. To remove the panel, we need to take out those two Phillips screws using Phillips screwdriver. Now tilt it back and remove it from those two tabs here, two slots. Here's the control board. Next, we need to disconnect all the wire plugs. You don't have to worry about mixing them up because they're all different. But if you want to feel safer, you can take a picture and then use it when you're going to install the new board. Please note that this plug is unused. All right, just press the tabs and disconnect the plugs. All right, after all this job, we need to press those two tabs and free the control board. Ladies and gentlemen, before we're going to handle a new power control board, we should discharge ourselves. Touch a large metal surface with your both hands. So now we don't carry a lot of static electricity, because that could damage a brand new control board. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, we're going to install the new control board, but I would like to tell you how to handle it. See how I'm holding it? Just by the sides. Do not overlap. Do not touch anything on the back. Slide it in. And press it in. All right, now it's ready for plugging in. We can do it in the same order. First the bottom, then the right side, and then the top. Put the harness into the retainer. At the bottom also. Now we can complete the repair with the installation of the access panel. There's two tabs, goes into two slots. Close it up and secure with the two Phillips screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.